Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to find your recycling bin in Salesforce. It's a really useful tool, especially if you delete something that you don't want to and you're trying to find it. You can restore stuff, but if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I put out new Salesforce content each week, and we're going to go ahead and jump into this. So to find your recycling bin, a lot of people think you need to be in setup and then you would normally try the search in the quick find box. That's kind of how you find a lot of things in Salesforce. But actually, you're actually going to select the 9 dots and you're going to type in recycling bin. As you can see here is right here under items, you're going to hit recycling bin. Now for me, I only have one record I've deleted recently and it's sitting right here. Now remember, stuff in your recycling bin is only sits there for 15 days before it's permanently deleted. So if you delete something and like, oh my gosh, I deleted these contacts and I need them back, you can come back in and you can restore these items, or you can permanently delete them out of the org if you would like. Now, keep in mind there are size limits to the amount of items that can be in your recycling bin. So if you are deleting or a lot of stuff, or a lot of people are working in the org, the recycling bin could start being empty quicker than 15 days. So keep that in mind as well. Now, this is showing my recycling bin. You can hit the drop down and it'll switch to org recycling bin as well. Since I'm the only person playing in this org, there's only one record in here, but if you have multiple people, you could see what everybody else is deleting too. And you can see who it's deleted by, the date, and what type of object it is. You can even pin this list view if you wanted to see the org recycling bin instead of your own, but that is completely up to you. Now, it is a great admin question. They're going to want, if you're taking your admin exam or platform app builder, they will ask you, how long does data stay in your recycling bin in your org? So that is a question that you definitely want to know how to answer. But if you found this video informative, make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.